Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the gastric cancer detection using Python. So we have to upload an input image. There is 4 classes, so we have to select from that particular classes, and it will detect that normal Z line. Now upload any other image from the normal-cecum. Okay, and select that particular image and it will predict that particular class. Let's give another input image from polyp and select this image. Model will detect the polyp and it will detect the cancer. Okay, you can just click on the next image, so it will detect the cancer from that particular area. This is the complete project. If you have any doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.